You guys asked for it, so I'm doing it. We're doing a giveaway with the TRIKES 250. If you haven't seen the series, this is an absolutely awesome three-wheeler. It's a 1985. It's got some custom modifications done to it, and it is absolutely like brand spanking new. It's super easy to enter to win. All you got to do is get one of these fresh Michael Sabo hats. It's a TRIKES special edition hat, and there are limited quantities. So there's only so many to go around. For every $1 that you spend on these hats, you're going to get 10 entries into the giveaway to win this TRIKES. To order one of these special edition hats, just head over to michaelsabo.com. I wanted this hat to be quality, so it's a genuine flex fit hat. The Michael Sabo logo is stitched into the front, as well as a ghost logo on the side saying TRIKES, showing that you've got the limited edition TRIKES Sweepstakes hat. Each hat you purchase gets you 650 entries to win. And as a bonus, if you get 3 hats or more, you'll get 1,500 extra entries to win. The winner will have the choice to take the TRIKES, or they can opt for a $5,000 cash prize. The sweepstakes has already begun, and it will be over on December 31st, 2025, or when all of the hats sell out. The winner will be chosen at random, and you must be within the United States. Florida, New York, Hawaii, and Alaska are excluded. And if you happen to win the sweepstakes and you're on the other side of the country, that's okay, because I'm gonna cover shipping as well. So I'll see you guys over on my website, michaelsabo.com, and good luck winning this TRIKES.